Hello guys, from today we are going to start Python. So first take a look on Introduction to Python. In this introduction we will look on what is Python and who are using Python today and how. So now let's start with what is Python. Python is a high level language which means its syntax are programmer friendly and they are like simple English language. And the Python is used for general purpose programming, which we will see in few minutes. What is general purpose means? Then the Python was created by Gardev Van Rossum in 1991. The Python is a programming language which you can write in any programming style. For example, object-oriented, structured, functional, expect-oriented, etc. Now let's look on what is general purpose programming means. It means that by using one programming language, you can develop any type of application. For example, web application, embedded system, mobile application, and it can be used for data analytics, IoT, etc. For that reason, by today in Python, there are 89,300 different modules are available. Now, as we see what is Python, and now let's look on who are using Python today and how. Here are the list of companies given and how they are using Python. Now, as you can see, the big giant company Google uses Python in its web search system. Likewise, YouTube uses Python in video sharing system. And like this, you can see how companies are using Python. Now, as you get to know what is Python and how companies are using Python today, so you make sure hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification light. In the next video, we will going to see history of Python. Thank you.